Cause you got no confidence, baby.
Full RPM here, guys, back with another legendary video. I'm giving away this 2024 BMW S1000RR plus 5,000 euro to one lucky winner. So if that winner is you and you want to look like me, go to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate or buy the merch, and you automatically enter to winner. Yeah!
Cause you got no confidence, baby.
As we proceed to give you what you need, you already know, baby. The Top G, back at it. I don't never get no rest.
Working, I ain't even got a desk. Popping bad hoes out of kitchen.
Hey.
Mips, don't tolerate
No disrespect.
Got a top good drink with.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you, YouTube, for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube. What am I saying? Let me slide up in here. Go ahead, brother. Go ahead, brother. Superhero out here, baby. Get no rest. I don't never. I see you, boy. So thankful to have you guys out here rocking with me. Figured I'd step out on a late night. See what's going on around here. With no disrespect. It's just a Sunday. But you already know that's always a fun day. Just because it's a Sunday, that don't mean that it ain't no fun day. Get no rest. Oh, I ain't even peeped the Benz sign up there in a long time. Shout out to Mercedes. Shout out to all my people riding the Mercedes. A-Class, S-Class, C-Class. Whatever you're riding, be grateful to have it, man. So many people that ain't even got running water. Lots without hot water. That's right. What's going on over here? What's going on over here? What's going on over there? Can't get around usually. Usual ways. Must have been a demonstration. What's up, little buddy? I see you peeking. Pickle juice. Not Beetlejuice, pickle juice. To you. The sky was blue. I don't know what lane I'm in, but which one gonna hit first? That one hit first. I know you want me, I see it in your eyes. Let's go over here and see who outside working. Go over here and check on the workers. Time to ride. My girl's that. Starting over here. Starting already, huh? Flying. Fresh ones. Coming outside fresh and clean. You're but mine down the down. Your own thing, you. The creepy crawlers. Well, I'm just coming through, man. Two-stepping. But I want to tell you guys again, make sure you guys give thanks for what you got, whether it be big or small. Whether you got 50 cents, $50, 5,000, 5 million. Be thankful, man. Because there's always two sides to the coin. Unless it's a trick one. Unless it's a trick one. Unless it's a trick one. Unless it's a trick coin. We give thanks. Oh, I want to go that way. Yeah, that's the way I want to go. Sometimes you gotta let it float. Some of y'all, that's what I gotta work on. Letting the bike be just in its free floating state. No pressure on it. Real nice and loose up here. Real nice and loose on the seat. Real loosey-goosey, as they call it. My good friend will say. My good buddy will say he's loosey-goosey. Hey. Maneuvering the V. I'm going too far though. Gotta get up off this road. Take it back a different direction.